It's definitely hard to put together a good run and like stick every round.
Setup is crazy, but so exhausting. Like, it's awesome.
It's even more challenging this year to put every banger hit together.
I've never seen anything like
There's
it.
so many possibilities on the rail. It's just everyone's got something different, and it's really awesome to see. It just makes it that much more like kind of nerve-wracking.
This is my third time to Plastic Playground. Keeps getting better and better each year. More rail combinations. They were taking different features and like sandwiching them together. To see the whole sport grow in like this genre, this direction is great to see, and I think Plastic Playground is just a great way and a great place to like capture where the level of riding's at nowadays.
I've never seen a crazier final than that. Everyone threw down, stoked to come away with the win for the second year in a row. It's insane.